So guys, I'm about to show you step by step on how I use this 30 inches deep wave to achieve this beautiful 18 inches boho braid. Stick by to watch. So guys, welcome to my channel. This tutorial is for those that want to have that boho braid wig, or they want to braid their hair with a boho braid, but they're working on a budget, they don't have much to spend. What I advise is that in my hand, what you can see here is a 30 inches deep wave. Yes, this is just a bundle. I've already started braiding already, so this is part of what is running. I decided to share this tutorial with you guys for those working on a budget to be able to achieve this. So what you need to do is to get your 30 inches deep wave, take a measurement of it depending on the length that you want. What I'm doing in this video is a 18 inches boho braid, you understand? So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take from the middle, where it's going to give me from the middle to the tips, where it's going to give me 20 inches. Yes, after taking the 20 inches and I've gotten to the tip, and then take my measurement from that place. I already started taking that measurement of a 20 inches. I will take a measurement upward. This time I'm not downward. The upward side will be giving me 10 inches. Just like 30 inches minus 10 inches will give you 20 inches, or 30 inches minus 20 inches will give you 10 inches. Yes, this 10 inches is upward direction. The reason being that, so if I cut it into two and release it, it will be giving me a 20 inches, just the way you are seeing it in this video. So what I'm having here is extra length added to this one that I have. So I've already started this video, as you can see, started making the wig, but I felt to share this tutorial with you. So this is how I insert my boho braid. This is how I go about it. This is how So while doing this, after knotting your hair, this is the knotless boho braid. This is a knotless boho braid wig, a 7x7 wig for a client. So after doing this, I've already applied my edge control for this particular hair. Sorry, I didn't show it in this video. I don't want the video to be too lengthy. I could have just made a full video on how I made this wig from the beginning to the end. So this is how I add my extension, that is my deep wave extension, to my braid. By the time you add your extension, you braid 3 to 4 times before bringing out that boho coils. Reason being that you don't want these coils to come out after for some time. Maybe you have used it for a month or 2 months, you're trying to like comb it or detangle it and it be falling out. That is why you have to braid like 3 to 4 times before bringing out the coils to continue braiding. Yes, I hope I have explained this better. And secondly, my boho braid, I don't usually dip them into the hot water. What I do personally is that I soak my extension, that is my attachment extension, into a hot water and add it conditioner and oil and heat protect in the water to give my attachment a straight and a smooth look. After then, I can then go ahead to apply cream on it to braid. That is what I did on this video, because I always like my wig to come out neat and beautiful. After braiding, I go ahead to trim it. I don't trim it after making the hair. I trim it while I braid, because I don't want to come back picking them one after the other. So that is what I usually do. So after braiding it, this is how it turns out to be. Because the reason why I didn't do the tips to be straight is because my client wanted the tips of this hair to be coily, to give it that fuller volume down. How do you see this wig? Is this not beautiful? Can you please rate my work? So guys, please, if you have watched to this point, don't forget to please subscribe to my channel. I'm begging you. Help me to grow in this YouTube space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. That question you have in mind to ask me, please go ahead to ask me. I'll be right there in the comment section to reply you. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.